I'm Dora Michelle, and this is Makeup or Breakup Vlog, and today I'm going to be reviewing the latest from Allure Beauty Box. And this is for August 2020. Let's see what's inside. This is how the box presents once you open it. Lovely picture. I love how they wrap them so lovingly. And within this brochure, it gives some discount codes, and it tells you what's going to be inside. I think it's one of the few subscription boxes that still do that. The theme for this particular box from the features director, Jessica Krull, is stated as on balance. And the first thing that's in here is something from Pixi. And this is their Pixi Rose Oil blend. I really like Pixi. I enjoy their glow tonic. Love it. Okay, and this is the applicator, and this is the bottle. I believe this is full size. $24 US for this. This is called Rose Oil Blend Pixi Skin Treats with rose and pomegranate oils. This is a nourishing face oil. I'm all for nourishing face oils, so I will definitely be trying this. And let's see how it smells. Oh, it has a lovely scent, but again, if you're not into rose scents or flower scents, this may not be for you. Box is from a brand called Sulwhasoo, and it's spelled SULWHASOO, First Care Activating Serum. Obviously, it's sample sized. So I'm a First Care Activating Serum. What does this do? So I'm going to read the little blurb here that the one of the editorial assistants, because some of the staff from Allure actively participate in trying out the products and see whether or not they work before they even get in the box. And her name is Gabriella Thorne. She's the editorial assistant, and she writes this. When I started getting serious about skincare, I expanded my then 3-step routine that didn't include sunscreen, yikes, to 9 steps including 2 serums. I'm used to seeing hyaluronic acid, vitamin C, or alpha hydroxy acids in most serums, but this formula has a blend of 5 Korean herbs: peony, lotus, Solomon seal, white lily, and something, I will spell it out, REHMANNIA, and it looks like it's Rehmannia. The ingredients work together to hydrate, brighten, and firm the skin. But apparently this helps with hyperpigmentation, dehydrated skin. Whether you're in your 20s or not, this may work for you. The next product on here is from Laszlo. Oh, this looks like soap. A little soap bar? It might be. Yes. The Sea Mud Deep Cleansing Bar. Ooh. And this sells for $38. This sells for $38 US. Is this a sample soap? Because $38 is a lot of money. I understand. Whoa. Okay. $38, huh? The famous black soap. Mud Deep, Sea Mud Deep Cleansing Bar. Not your average cleansing bar. So I'm assuming you would just use this for your face and keep it moving, because this is not a big bar of soap. Oh, and did I mention that the full size of this, hold on to your hats, is $84 US. And you can buy this at thesephora.com. $84. All right. On to the next thing. Okay. Oh, we have something that falls under makeup, which is nice. All right, let's see what this next one is. This is from the company called Floss. And this is their Floss Brighten Up Highlighter and Sunlit. Ooh, let's see how sunlit it is, shall we? It says it right there. Okay, and this is what it looks like. Okay. And let's see if we can open it up. All right. Has like a slight golden, ooh, it feels very it feels creamy, actually. You can see my little fingerprint in there. I'm just gonna, Oh yeah, this feels lovely. Can you see that? I don't know if you can, because it looks like it basically blends almost into my skin. But it's gonna give me that glow that I'm, and there's no scent exactly. It has like a makeup scent, but it's not like any kind of candy, flowery type of scent. So, how much does this little guy cost? $20. And their website is not called floss.com, it's called flossitup.com. But the company name is H2O Plus, and this is their hydration sensitive gel cream moisturizer. So this is for the skin, and apparently it has chamomile tea in this. So this is something that's gonna hopefully calm the skin. Our expert formulas are fueled by H2O Plus proprietary hydroamino infusion, a powerful synergetic blend with triple strength action and a boost of amino acids to maintain optimum hydration levels. Developed with clean, effective ingredients and formulated without parabens, without sulfates, without phthalates, without synthetic fragrance, mineral oil, and formaldehyde. It's made in Japan. What's the price of this bad boy? Full size for this boy is $42 US, and you can buy it at h2oplus.com, and plus is spelled out. All right, and the next thing I have in here is something for the skin, and this is from the company Wish, and this is the Wish Botanical Primer. Normal size, it's the price would be $44 US. You could buy it at wishbody.com. It contains something called, and I'm going to spell this out, Bakuchiol. It's supposed to be a gentler, natural alternative to retinol. I don't know if it's natural or safe, but I will look it up and post that information somewhere here or in the description box below. And I just shook it a little bit, and there's something in there that moves around quite a bit. But they call this a botanical primer, skin balancing, reduces environmental stress. This I gotta see. That's definitely something I'm intrigued by and I want to check out. And finally, last but certainly not least, this is beautifully colored illustrated packaging. This is called Brightening Lift Up Perfect Fit Mask. What company is this? Looks and May is spelled MEII. I believe. Brightening Lift Up Perfect Face Fit Mask. And it's $3 for one of these. It's pretty big, and it feels like there's liquid in there, so it might be very wet. And if you want to check out more from this company, their website is called looksinmayusa.com, and I will post that website below. I've never heard of them, but I love face masks. I love anything regarding skincare, so I will definitely be testing that baby out. So overall, what did I think of the latest Allure box for August 2020? I am impressed that it came with this lovely full-size little jam. I'm also getting some news from Allure that moving forward, they are going to raise their normal price. I believe the price was currently $15 for a box of samples. They're now going to go up, I believe, to like $23 US, and they're saying that they're guaranteeing at least 3 of the products within the box will be full size moving forward. So that is a major development for Allure Beauty Box. I don't know if they're trying to step up their game to compete with, you know, the likes of BoxyCharm and Ipsy, but I have to say I'm happy with what I received simply because they have selections in their box that you normally don't find in the other subscription boxes. Most times it's with brands I've never heard of, with products that are geared specifically mostly for skincare. So it'll be interesting to see what the major changes are going to be moving forward. I believe the change takes place for October box moving forward. I'm sticking around because I'm intrigued to find out what their offerings are going to be, and as soon as I get my box, I will be posting that video on this channel. So again, I will give the Allure box for August 2020 an A. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below. And if you haven't already, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and hit that notification bell so you know my next video will be up. Thank you so much for watching and joining me today on my latest makeup adventure, and I hope to see you on my next video. Take care, stay safe. Bye.